Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today news, we cover important political development, security concerns, and social issues affecting ordinary people in South Sudan. We will talk about claim and denial around General Nathaniel Oyet, the acting chairman and commander-in-chief of the SPLIO. We will talk about a delayed meeting by the ruling SPLM party. We are going to talk about daily cattle rate in Warrap state. We will also talk about a tragic family killing in northern Barghazal. And finally, we'll talk about the arrest of a radio journalist in Unity State. Please, before we move on, help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin our report with Oyet denies resignation. Ramos. Let us begin with politics inside the opposition movement. General Nathaniel Oyet Perino, the acting chairman and commander-in-chief of the SPLMIO, has denied reports saying that he resigned from his position. On January 11, 2026, a statement was released in his name. In that statement, General Oyet said clearly that he has not stepped down and that he remained fully in charge of his responsibilities. He described himself as steadfast, meaning he is firm and still standing in his role. In recent days, a letter started spreading on social media. The letter claimed that General Oyet had written to Dr. Riek Machar, the leader of the SPLMIO and first vice president, announcing his resignation. The letter talked about sadness, political uncertainty, and concern about the future direction of the movement. However, General Oyet rejected the letter, saying he did not write it. He did not authorize anyone to write it, and it does not represent his position. According to him, the letter is fake. Another document causes confusion. There was also a handwritten note dated January 7 that circulated online. The note was said to be written by Dr. Riek Machar. It reportedly instructed General Oyet to stop direct communication with SPLMIO forces and to allow Lieutenant General Peter Tok Cholwak to handle military communication, while Oyet should focus on political work in Juba. General Oyet says he cannot confirm if the note is real. He avoids directly accusing Dr. Riek Machar or confirming any internal conflict. What does Oyet say about his position? General Oyet reminded members of the movement that the position of acting chairman is clearly written in the SPLMIO constitution, specifically under Articles 28 and 29. Nathaniel also repeated an important message that SPLMIO has always believed in: there is no politics without the military, and no military without politics. This means the political and military wing of the movement must work together. General Oyet left Juba in April 2025 after security forces cracked down on opposition leader linked to SPLM-IO. Since then, his location has not been made public. He was removed from his position as first Deputy Speaker of Parliament. Despite all this, he says he is still committed to the struggle and the movement. He also promised to speak to the media soon. And instead of attacking anyone, General Oyet called for unity, strength, and remembering the sacrifice of South Sudanese people. This story shows the deep tension inside South Sudan political space. Let's move on. Before we start this report, please, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. SPLM postponed important meeting. Now let us turn to the ruling party, the Sudan People Liberation Movement. The SPLM has postponed its joint caucus meeting in Juba. The meeting was first planned for Monday, but it has now been moved to Tuesday, January 13, 2026. The announcement was made by Daniel Badagbu Rimbasa, SPLM Secretary for Culture, Information and Communication. He said the delay was due to unavoidable circumstances. No further explanation was given. The meeting will bring together members of the Political Bureau, National Liberation Council, Government Executive, members of Parliament and advisors, and senior party officials. They are expected to meet at the SPLM House in Juba. So why is this meeting important? Even though the party did not share the agenda, many people believe the meeting is linked to preparation for a general election, internal party strategy, and recent change to the peace agreement. Last month, the presidency and cabinet approved major amendment to the 2018 peace agreement. This change includes removing the requirement to finish the permanent constitution before elections, removing the population census as a condition, and stating that the peace agreement no longer come before the constitution. These decisions have caused serious disagreement, especially from the allies of first by President Dr. Riek Machar. Elections are now planned for December 2026. However, elections have been postponed many times before. Some opposition groups say the change were made without consulting them. The amendment still needs approval from Parliament and the Peace Monitoring Body known as RJMAC. This creates uncertainty about whether the election will truly happen as planned or not. So let's move on to our third top story. Cattle raid killed 3 people in Warrap. Now we move to a tragic security incident in Warrap State. At least 3 people were killed and more than 4,000 cattle were stolen during a cattle raid in Gogrel East County. What happened was the attack happened over 2 days, Thursday and Friday, in areas called Alabek, Lietnom. According to Arab state official, the attackers were army used. So, the Warrap State Minister of Information, Mamer Bat, say the attackers came from neighboring Unity State. 3 people died, 9 others were injured. He said cattle raiding continued to destroy life and communities. They look at the government response. After the attack, the deputy governor of Warrap visited the area. SSPDF soldiers were deployed to restore order. Unity State denied its involvement. However, Unity State officials rejected the accusation. Unity State Information Minister Nyekenya Yohannes Kea say initial findings show the attacker may be from within Gogrel East, and investigations are still ongoing. This disagreement shows how complex cattle raiding conflicts are. Cattle raiding is not new in South Sudan. Every year, hundreds of people died family lost their livelihood, and revenge attack continue. This violence affect innocent civilian the most. Let's move on. Man killed elder brother in family fight. Now to a very sad family tragedy in North Bargazal state. According to the report, a 26-year-old man has killed his elder brother during a family dispute in Awil East County. According to police, the incident happened around 8 p.m. in Maper Agorbuma, Mazolpayam. The deceased was 30 years old and reportedly drunk at the time. Police Inspector Daniela Alwaliak say the elder brother returned home intoxicated. He began threatening his sister and mother. The younger brother tried to stop him. A fight broke out and the elder brother later died from serious injuries. Aftermath, the victim has been buried. The suspect is now in police custody. He will charge under South Sudan Penal Code. Police urge communities to solve dispute through family meeting, use chiefs and elders, avoid violence at all costs. This tragedy shows how alcohol abuse and poor conflict resolution can destroy families. Our final report today is about radio journalist detained in United States. As a reminding, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell. A journalist from Radio 88 FM was arrested and detained for 6 hours in United States. Journalist Shoal Muteng hosted a call-in show. During the program, a caller sent a greeting to an SPLM-IO or SPLIO general. After the show, police arrested Shoal, accusing him of allowing the greeting on air. After intervention by United States official and the Union of Journalists of South Sudan, Shoal was released without charges later the same day. This is not the first case. Journalists in South Sudan often face arrest, threat, censorship. Despite law protection, press freedom enforcement remain weak. In conclusion, this story reflects the real struggle facing South Sudan today: political tension, insecurity, family violence, and restricted media freedom. At Changfied News, we believe in information. That information is power. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Biakamal gwas me ban raketin konlat karodian. Kan kono ni ami jira jidit ka Changfied YouTube channel gorjeno jin. Dere subscribe ku de notification bell dere twain komiti teme bare dere chwa mala chubi kaji. Abantin konlat karodian ban kadin kel ka kan le titine. Jo ni ambana kwen gwas me ban right ka jo ma chalat Queen Nathaniel Oyet. Bella ni main point in Condi in nok liang ko very important. Oyet Nathaniel Jen Chade Guanino which resign ki roda watch re kuma ka SPLIO. General Nathaniel Oyet Perino, General Acting Chairman Kajaran Ramdan Commander in Chief ka SPLIO. Jen Chalado nena man chalad a jenashit to jen kan resign ka kan roda watch re kuma. Kashang welkel ka paikel runkin daro jandang red bakel ke ga jom cha release ke jom cha release ke chude ano Nathaniel Oyet che step down shi Nathaniel che la wona na kan step down karo do wujre kwara ngora tatin ne de kon lat kana mo e warga muku kan gore je kan chebe ka kwara dana dini jala first by president General Oyet jen cha gwanyino general mo cha gwarorga Dr. Riek Machar kwera SPLM-IO ka first by president of South Sudan and which warga gorno which resign wanamo ekat ajane kan ro wi ka kom ngora ta kom chela ro na me shitok ajane tel warga mi gor ke nyok warga kul respond ke je warga mi cha gor ga chang baro ga paikel Amicha circulate ka social media. Chala do nene, take a warga micha gor a Dr. Machar, Kacha Guar Nathaniel Oyet and wo chu communicate ke chu right ke dines filaigo. Arai ni Lieutenant General Peter talk show luck, Jeram Dan bi military communication jen bilado. Kaji Nathaniel Oyet ku focus ka tin kontin way ka qui politica tintere wike juba. general Oyet chela do ne na no mo kan confirm tel war gam chan no ngada kama char ajene no mo tel raj mi chalaten ajene ya kach ajene shi tok general Oyet chana nyom ko na remind bo ke jogo na no ne na ka constitution ate ke mi chalat ke qui acting chairman and wo ajaram dana bridial bu ko gor especially mi ram minute gor ko ngot te ke mi cha gor ka article 28 and 29 la gor ka ngot chiran be ko wide mu way ke je ki ram be pen ana badil ben pin ka ngot bad chela do no war ga dana cha gor tara ke liwa kach ajana she tok so na mo mi chalat la jan wana ka kuma spele mayo sorry kuma kirma yadi la kuma spele kuma SPLM jigala do de kandol dol ka chang ka welkel ke chang waro chalar chang waro la wale ta chikana kule nyogo muko na passport chikana ka ko chang wel diok jen chang dana bi kandol bu kan nyodol ka ja kuma SPLM rai ke kirma yadit kan wati kan kandol mi chikana dala kan ka joge change redul kana mo lat kenen o de ka rai ke ku inquiry but kan lat gwa bat kwa ngi jen wo man lat ke da la jen national election ko jen do dan te ngai kon dial medan me shika dol dol edan shika dol ka je before kan dol me kan bin me shika de mi che ko paktina kan ni gara do ne na rengon te ko ne ya ya twin ke 20 peace agreement te ga ngode cha wo kan ngode to te permanent constitution te ten cha wo no cha bulat te population census te ten ba cha bulat but to kan ka approved kenyok na me chetine te mwandi chiriak tenenem eno malat ke president self ke yadit ko kuma SPLM eno che chuang tele ferten ko tele ko inquire mi de lat tele first by president Dr. Machar supported Dr. Machar lar ken wo ne man chala da kir shi magwa ko jen chene ko ken chaga banjor ana me le rodo but gui ken no di en part SPLM dong dol kaga bala jen ko inquire ka do dan ken nangten ko tem witte kare ke te karol alo wo kor we ko ba mo president kir we work ka we wonyam ready tini nyod jeno South Sudan bela tikarik wan mana dien en ta dana shangwan cha ger ka je president self came yadit kan ka approve ke kan ka lalet many can conti la members of parliament kan na time kan na approved many we kan it conti la peace monitoring body kin chal gari je mak kan dor kan gor so kujamo mo de take edu ke take golot ban jelin ko gwasen be en madan en le rode chana we wonyam lardin balin gwaz me bala kurmi chala do shitwok gwaz me shawk cha kwaltin ka chana cha kanak chala do chani dang jok cha kanak dor shal ka me Warrap state ka jo chala gwaz me chala no pig ne shop ka dok ke wonyam wa chik liu ke cha kanak ka cha ko chop ke kin dang wan cha ka kwal kanetin kontin china chika mak ma kan dor shal ke Gugrialis county en wenamo wa chikin yin kana ki kin dang jo chicken kanak ne da to wa chicken ok tun wan chicken ganang ka jo dan chalat gwasme wa ok ti chana ken ko ti kin dang wan gwad ma chikuri to and then chicken I can go chunak wa kur mo to ke Thursday kana Friday kan it kontin lat kenu china mak wa jena ki unto state chicken dor shal ke alabek ke lien nom chicken kamak ke wa kur mo chto to ke an kur mo ko Warrap state chicken dan ngai kon diale chala do kan ngwana to kan ngwana jinre wiki unto state kan it kon nanga kur win mi ke kap ko kur no Warrap state minister of information mamer bat chala do ne kan it ti jen kan ka unto state ka chu ko ben chu kan dang dok chu kan ganak and then ka chi kan dang bang wan chu kan mo ka bot ere kan mo madan chi to ka jo chalat gwase me watch na right Ramadan and la query which in binami ji unto state Ramadan la ran information minister nya Kenya Yuanis ka yala do ne a generating kon na kana chi ji unto state generating kon na kane kun kane kon te go real is jo generating kon te ka Warrap state ko cha ji unto state cha ga ka che disagree kamana cho da lat na me de yanaling amar dien gwase me leran wan dien cha jojo gwan wati ke wut mi shanak daman mutot kan naga je ka kwikwang ajen bana lingone ka jo mi chalat gwase me dor shal kan osen Bargazal state wati ke wun mi te ka yendang red bakel karodien jen she damana dini jen che nak damana dini jen wati ke run yendang diok wa daman dini jen wajen che mas ka kwang ngwaza mo chu ga kana re ching aga ka kana ka je an wena mani wachi nyin kana gure an ka chu gure je chu mo ka bot mo ko wer wachi yire yu jen gwada men chala ro kwang chagwa ko kwang ajana dan lettu jega long gor jeno de ran ki de ran de jalweke ko kwang ken mi jeg me ke kurum che tong ni shang ba la nong ne lia cha ne del cha jogo no ne ane dial widi na la chunga ko kwang kel mi je goro jeno de family de career advice ano kwang jega na me mi choda lat cha ramadan en la garato de chinyin kana da mano wa cha de kep cha de yen ka da man chi yede che ten yen ka jen kwi kwang ku ke kurani kana ter ka kwi kwang ko jen wa cha mat ka kwang ka nyuna na re chung chu yu nyen chi mandana la na ga gwada mon chi lya cho to lero do dien gwazan bana right ka kwi radio journalist ka United State mi cha yen kume SSPDF ki cha yen kwere ndana tere wiki United State journalist mi chi right ka le radio 88 FM jen cha yen ka kor kemi cha right kana ke kume SPL mayo ki cha SPL mayo cha khalar male kare jam jen cha yen ka tana dang bakel United State dob dana yen ge jen journalism mo shwale shol muteng jana wa che show che jos an gwada mone cho te ram che yat an gwada an chiran che yatin ram mo che ku mes pilayo general che jikalar male no aka kore wa chu polini chu ko chop chu kan chol chu kan yen wa chi kan yen ko jen angu mi lere spilayo lere kamal ka jamo na me mi chora lat mi de kon dial te ngeja aka jo dana chalat gwasme mi jiram jirid gwasme gorno jin bi Changfied YouTube channel bi je support ke bi subscribe bana jigale radien bi atagamal bye bye